Morning guys, 10:30 in the morning Bitcoin. Just a very quick update on Bitcoin. Indecision, I think, in the markets. The bears don't have it, the bulls don't have it. We've had a breakout of the falling wedge but no volume, so it's just creeping sideways at the moment. I personally think that we are waiting for the markets to open UK time 2:30 and also the outcome of this closed door Fed meeting at 4:30 UK time. I think it's 4:30 UK time, before there's any decision made on this particular market. So I think for now, for me, it's a case of I'm waiting to see the direction. And I'll be honest with you, I don't know whether it's going to go up or going to go down at the moment. If the S&P opens up and we start to move down, and looking at the pre-market, let me bring up pre-market. Okay, pre-market is looking pretty red at the moment, so that's not a great sign. This could change prior to the markets actually open, but you know, ideally, if the price is going up, this would be green. Okay, if the price is red, then potentially, you know, the SPX is going to move down. So that's not a great sign. And remember, we've got this measured move around about 4296, and I've got a personal target 4224, coincides with fib levels and various other TA. So that's my target at the moment, especially this lower trend line. So I think we're waiting. It's been pretty dull since the 11th of February, just ranging in this area, similar to what we had here. Okay, we ranged in this area and then moved up. We came from a lower position, ranged, move up. Okay, we're going from a higher position, ranging. Are we going to see continuation downwards? Okay, so there's so many scenarios on the table at the moment, but the difficulty is Russia-Ukraine war. Is that going to happen? Is it not going to happen? We've got inflation, Fed closed board meetings, you've got SPX, we've got everyone talking about massive market crashes in traditional markets. Okay, so this is unusual times right now, so it's very difficult to call, and we've just got to wait. It out. Set your alerts. So see these grey lines here. So I've got grey line here, grey line here. Okay, the two alert lines. Alert if it goes up, alert if it goes down. So I know either way. Okay, we've got CME futures gap. Okay, CME futures market opens at 2:30 today as well, I believe. Let me just check. No, that hasn't opened yet. No, so that's opens. Yes, it has. Have we got any gaps? No gaps on the CME. So just still. So over the weekend, no gaps on the CME. Just this gap below at the moment. Okay. So likelihood is this will get filled, but will we see, you know, just a small dump down, V-shaped recovery, move back up? It's very much undecided at the moment. Neither the bulls nor the bears seem to want to commit, which makes me feel that we're just waiting for Monday essentially to be out of the way. Once we hit 4:30 UK time Monday, actually probably 5:30, once we understand what's coming out of that meeting, then I think we may well see some market shift. But also 2:30 when Wall Street opens, essentially we might see some market shift then as well. So very much indecision time right now. Let's have a quick look at the indicators. So the 1 hour, you would expect, I mean, the 1 hour is overbought. Okay, moving down bearish. Yeah, with slightly bullish MACD, nothing really to shout about at the moment, and we've got a just ever so slightly bullish RSI. Okay, so you'd almost be expecting the price actually start moving down, but it's just remaining the same. 4 hour time frame, again, 4 hour was looking really bearish yesterday midnight time, but now we're potentially looking at this cross on the MACD. We're bullish in that we're moving up, but almost bordering on overbought territory. Okay, and then the RSI is bearish, currently under 50, pointing down. Okay, so mixed signals again, but the MACD is interesting. But if we get this cross down and we just get a kiss on the signal line and then move down again, okay, then it spells more downside for Bitcoin. So very difficult to say. And then the daily, which we've been focusing on, saying daily doesn't look great at the moment. Starting to turn back up. Okay, so daily moving down, we can see this movement down here. Okay, movement down on the daily, just around here, starting to turn, okay? Price action starting to turn. If we get this move up, and the RSI being bullish 53 at the moment, move up. See volumes come in, dropping off. Volumes start to come back in again. So, you know, to me, the signals are pointing that we're almost bullish on Bitcoin. But it's just what news comes out of this meeting here, you know, from the Fed. And what happens to the SPX at 230, in my opinion, at the moment. So I'm just going to keep watching all day, and let's see what happens. And yeah, I mean, I'm either looking to enter in a small short position. I'm out basically of all trades at the moment. No point trading right now. It could go either way. So if it moves lower, breaks this blue line, which essentially is resistance, essentially support, breaks this blue line, continues to move down, then potentially I'm opening a small short position, and a very, very small, low risk short position, because you could get that V-shaped recovery, and that could push the price up very quickly. If this CME futures gap gets filled, you know, you basically want to be closing your short position out here if it does go that far, because I think the recovery potentially will be quite quick, okay? And you want to take profits from any short position that you're in as soon as you can, okay? Just have a small target, take profits, and then move on. If Bitcoin starts to break out, particularly above 42,736, in my opinion, then potentially small long position, or just open up Bitcoin trades and ride the price upwards, okay? So, but we just need to be wary of fake outs like we had here. Okay, so breaking a hold of this level, 4-hour candle close, continuation higher, I'd be happy to open trades on that basis. And I think that might be, actually the only other thing, so let me get the daily time frame reset. Okay, the only other thing I am looking at potentially is this sort of head and shoulders pattern. So we potentially have left shoulder, head, okay, right shoulder, which could come up to here, move down, okay. So if we do see a move up, this green line here is the 618 fib based on current move. If we do start to move upwards, I'd be cautious around 50,821 level, so 50,000 level to 51,000 level, and then certainly 54,770, okay, potentially reversal, head and shoulders pattern playing out. And then price continuation downwards. Okay, so that's the only other thing I'm looking at the moment. Other than that, the go to the 1 hour time frame reset. Just going to zoom out a little bit. Okay, so this falling wedge that we were in, again, just had a bit of a breakout, just moving sideways. So we're just ranging. Our range is actually just in this area here. Okay, so this is the range we're trading in right now. So we'll just see that we've just been trading along since the 11th. Okay, so a breakdown of this range and a break below, I would say 41,626 would potentially mean we're looking at a bearish move, and then we're looking at CME futures gap being filled, and then a possible move. So this double top pattern, possible move down to 40,000. 40,000 to 38,000 for me, I think, would be the bottom. But like I said in yesterday's video, don't count out and move down to 36,000. If we don't move up and we start moving down, don't count out and move to 36,000, which would give us that double bottom. So I'll just draw those in now quickly. Double bottom. So that would be here. And then that would be somewhere over here. Okay, so we're expecting the price, if we do move down, certainly for the CME gap, certainly get to the measured move. But if we continue to move down, we're looking at a double bottom scenario, and then a strong reversal pattern. That would be pretty good in my opinion. I'd be very happy to get a double bottom here and a strong reversal pattern. So let's wait and see. I'm going to leave it there, and let's catch up probably around 2:30 when the market's open. All right, cheers.
Just before we look at the TA for Bitcoin, don't forget to visit our website, bpoi.uk. Have a look around. Quite a lot of information on the website, and then you've got click here to sign up. So just click on this particular button. That takes you to bpoi.uk join. And then just have a look at the membership plan. So just want to do a month, $40, 6 months, $100, 12 months, $150. And we got some lifetime memberships as well, 49 lifetime memberships left, $200. So well worth the money. And then obviously take a look around the website and look at the different channels. If you want to join our free Telegram channel, just click on this button here. And then as long as you've got a Telegram account, just click on the view in Telegram and that'll take you to our free channel. We do post quite a bit of information in the free channel, and we'll answer any of your questions, whether that be on a setup that you're looking at or something that we've posted. Okay, cheers guys.